Hi there kids! The phonic rule number 3 is all about silent E words. Let's get started. Silent E is also known as magic E. Let's see what is a silent E. The silent E is an E at the end of a word followed by a vowel with just one consonant in between, becomes silent and makes the vowel say its name. A, cake, k, ache, cake. Let's practice once again. The silent E at the end of the word followed by a vowel with just one consonant in between becomes silent and makes the vowel say its name. I, f, I've, five. The word cap changes to cape as the silent E makes the vowel say its name. A, k, ape, cape, cap, cape. The word pet changes to peat as the silent E makes the vowel say its name. E, p, eat, peat, pet, peat. The word pin changes to pine as the silent E makes the vowel say its name. I, p, ine, pine, pin, pine. The word rob changes to robe as the silent E makes the vowel say its name. O, obe, robe, rob, robe. The word cub changes to cube as the silent E makes the vowel say its name. U, k, ube, cube, cub, cube. When silent E is followed by a vowel A, it makes a sound A. AE makes a sound A. Examples: fade, tape, cage, stale, grape. When silent E is followed by a vowel E, it makes a sound E. EE makes a sound E. Examples: Eve, Pete, here, Jean, delete. When silent E is followed by a vowel I, it makes a sound I. IE makes a sound I. Examples: 5, bike, hide, prize, smile. When silent E is followed by a vowel O, it makes a sound O. OE makes a sound O. Examples: nose, bone, hole, stone, slope. When silent E is followed by a vowel U, it makes a sound U. UE makes a sound U. Examples: fuse, cute, huge, mule, tube. Bye bye kids, see you later. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all my phonics videos given below in the description box. Keep watching.